everyone, Namaste. Here I am again with my delicious homemade food. Before I start, I would like to wish you a very happy Diwali. May the light of Diwali brighten each day of your life. So, first of all, you must be wondering why I'm speaking in English, but there are some of my viewers who don't speak Nepali and who don't speak Hindi as well. So I thought in this video, I'm going to speak only in English, where I hope you guys will understand me. So I have to think about my all the viewers who only speak in Nepali. Actually, English is a common language. I know all the Nepalese can understand English, can speak English very well. So sometimes I'll be speaking only in English, sometimes I'll be speaking only in Nepali, and sometimes I'll be speaking in Hindi as well. So as I told you guys, hope you'll understand me. And the first thing what I want to say is I'm very much thankful to each and everyone who liked my videos, who commented and who subscribed. This is just the beginning, guys. As I told you all, hardly I finished only 1 week, and in 1 week I posted only 3 videos. But in those 3 videos also, I got many likes and comments and subscription. So from the bottom of my heart, I would like to thank you all. Thank you, beautiful people. Thank you for your support and thank you for your encouragement. So keep supporting me. I'll be bringing delicious homemade food, as I told you. And today I'm alone. I told in my previous 3 videos that only 2 days my husband will be with me, and 1 day I'll be alone. So in a week I'll give my best to bring 3 videos at least. Okay guys, so let's not waste the time, because I have already discussed with you, because of AC, how much ever the food is hot, it gets cold very fast. So um, further any delay, I would like to introduce my food today. So here I have, as usual, plain rice. This is my plain rice, and this is ladyfinger or okra and potato curry, which is very simple. In a very simple way I cooked this without adding water. And here I have fish fry, and this fish is kingfish. This fish doesn't have much bones, but still got some little. So when we are eating, we have to be very careful. I have to be very careful. And I have some cucumber, carrot, and green chili. And here I have, see, my mouth started watering. This is my habit. Always, whenever food is in front of me, I couldn't control, because I'm a big foodie. But I don't eat much, but still I'm a foodie. Now here I have fish along with gravy. As you can see here, it's very hot. I hope you can see the steam coming out of it. And this recipe I would like to share with you. In this curry, what I did is, first I made one paste out of tomato, onion, ginger, garlic, and cumin seeds, coriander seeds, and mustard seeds, and I think 8 or 10 cloves of black pepper, then green chili. I ground all these things and made a paste out of it. Then in a separate pan, I just fried some onions till it turned brown. Then I added this gravy, what's that called? Paste. Then nicely I fried it till the oil started separating. Then I poured water, made some little watery gravy. Then I added fish, and in this gravy I didn't add fried fish. It just boiled, you can say boiled into that gravy. So at least for 7 minutes. I only that much I cooked, because as we all know, fish gets cooked very fast. So like that I cooked, and I at the end I garnished with some coriander leaves. So when I was tasting salt, because whenever we are cooking in the kitchen we have to taste salt. So when I was tasting the salt, I tasted this is very tasty. So let's enjoy the meal without delay. So hope you guys also will enjoy with me. So let me start, because I'm starving. Because whenever I'm making mukbang video, I always try to have very light breakfast. So today also I only had some fruits, yogurt, that's all. Now it's 3:30 here in UAE, and now I'm having my lunch. Okay guys, let's start. I shall start with this curry first. See what I told you all, because of AC, my rice was very hot when I served it, but now it's cold. But it's fine, it's not very cold, it's okay. Okay guys, let's start. Mm, very nice. No masala in this. Only onion, tomato, little chili powder, salt and turmeric, that's all. But it tastes delicious. Fish. Hmm. Very nice. Yummy. Hmm. Today I'm not going to add some more rice. This will be enough for me, because I want to eat this fried fish, and the fish which is with the gravy also. And to have a bite of this green chili, oh, it's out of the world. Mm. Let's try the gravy also. And I'm using the same hand, guys, please don't mind. Mm. Oh, it's super hot. Oh my god. My hand is getting burned. It's super, super, super hot. Mm. Oh my goodness. Superb. Mm. My. Oh my goodness. My goodness. So tasty. As I told you guys, this is kingfish and it doesn't have many bones, not the tiny tiny bones, only in the middle there are big size bones which can be removed very easily. Mm. Mm. I have to eat the fish very carefully because I had a very bad experience in the past. So whenever I'm eating fish, whether with the bones or without bones, I have to be very careful. Mm. Mm. I was super hungry. Mm. Oh my god. This gravy is awesome. Mm. Today I'm not going to talk much because I have to concentrate eating fish. Mm. Let me put little more gravy. Oh my goodness. Awesome. Super tasty. Mm. Last for the road, guys. This I couldn't eat, so please forgive me for that. Mm. I never knew this curry will become so tasty like this. I always try to make curries in different ways. Sometimes I make like this. Sometimes I'll make it with yogurt and cashew nut paste, and sometimes plain with very little masala and all. Please try this recipe, guys. Really, trust me, it tastes very good. Mm. It is spicy as well because I have added some green chilies also. And guys, I have a habit of licking my fingers, and when I finish my eating, I like to lick the plate also. Please don't mind, because I know some of you don't do that. Mm. I hope today's video is not too long. I'm trying to make it fast, but because of the bones, I have to be little careful. Ah, so satisfying. And you must be wondering, guys, that when I'm having my food, I don't have water, I don't have any juice. But I don't drink water, and I don't drink juice or fizzy drinks while I'm eating, because there's a saying that either before half an hour we should drink water,
but not while eating and not soon after we finish eating, because it's not good for health. That's what doctors say. So I'm not very concerned about health, but still, some of the things which I can do, I always try to do it. So I finished eating. Hope you guys enjoyed watching me eating. And again, I'm very, very thankful to all of you for your likes, comments, and subscription. From the bottom of my heart, I would like to thank you all. So keep supporting me. And today is Friday, tomorrow is Saturday, so tomorrow is a holiday. I will come along with my husband. And what kind of food I'm going to bring tomorrow, it's a surprise. I don't want to disclose it now.